Welcome, boys, in your science class. Today in science, we are going to start lesson 3 of unit 5. Unit 5, light. We have already studied 2 lessons from unit 5. Today we are going to cover lesson 3. The name of lesson 3 is The Sun Appears to Move. Page number 137 to page 142. And the name of the lesson is The Sun Appears to Move. When we see at the sun, what we see? We see like the sun is moving. Actually, the sun is not moving. The earth is moving. Earth is rotating. But when we see, it's look like that sun is moving. Okay, the sun appears to move. In this lesson, we are going to learn and investigate how the sun seems to move during the day. Talk about difference between diagram. Here, look at the house. Look at this picture. It is the end of the day. Can you describe what this will look like in an hour? Look here. It is evening time. And what do you see? You see that the sun is moving or going down in the evening. But what actually is happening that the earth is moving. Okay. Our nearest star is the sun. It is very bright and hot. During the hours of daylight, the sun gives us light. The sun is very bright light source. The sun looks as though it moves across the sky, but sun is not moving. You can see here, the sun appears to move. The position of the sun changes during the day. Early today, the sun appeared low down. So these are children, they are investigating about the sun, how the sun is moving. Okay, question number 1. Do you agree with these children? We should agree with all children because they are right. They can see the sun moving. It feels like the sun is moving. So answer of question number 1 is that we should agree with all the children. Can you describe the way sun appears to move each day? It appears low in the morning, appears high at midday, and then appears low in the evening. How sun appears in the morning, it is low. It appears high at midday, and again in the evening, it appears low. So write the answer of question number 2. It appears low in the morning, appears high at midday, and then appears low in the evening. So moving on to the next page, does the sun moves in the sky? So the answer is yes, the sun moves in the sky. How it moves? See the picture to understand. Does the sun move in the sky? A, B, C, and D are different positions of the sun in the sky during the day. You can see early morning. Early morning is A. Then it goes on B. After that, it is moving to C. C is noon time when it is very high. Then afternoon, when it is finishing, it goes back to D and it goes in the evening low again. From A to B, the sun appears to move lower or higher in the sky. So the answer is higher. From A to B, it is moving higher. From D to E, the sun appears to move D to E, moves lower. The position of the sun is highest at C. It is highest at C when it is around noon, in the early morning, around noon, or in the early evening. When it is very high, around noon, it is very high. This diagram shows the sun at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at how sun position in the sky has changed during the day. point to the place that sun would appear at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we have here time 8 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, midday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and here will be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So what you have to do, you have to draw the sun and you have to write 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then it will be 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So in between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, you are going to make the position of the sun and write 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Activity at patrons. Go outside to a place where you can see a lot of the sky. Find the sun in the sky. Do not look straight at it. Never look straight at the sun. It will damage your eyes. So we should never look straight in the eye. What will happen? It is going to damage our eyes. Okay. So here are different positions of the sun and the daytime. We will start from 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and 3 p.m. Look at the pattern in what recorded. Does the sun position appears to change? Yes, it appears to change. So write yes. Its position moves. Its position move across the sky, getting higher at midday and lower in the morning and evening. Does the sun position appear to change? Okay. When the sun highest in the sky, you know when the sun is highest in the sky at midday. So complete the questions. Sun is higher at the midday and lower in the morning and evening. So these are different positions of the sun during the daytime.